All right, just going to be doing a quick review of this Toastmaster coffee grinder. This thing is a must-have if you like fresh coffee beans ground up in your coffee. So we use this French press right here. But first step is grinding it all in this coffee grinder. So it's got this detachable lid here that comes off. And you're going to want to pour in all of your coffee beans right here. If you want a full couple cups of coffee, you're going to want to fill this up all the way. And then you're going to put the lid on there. And once you get the lid on, you can then press this button here. And it's going to be able to grind it up. So once you press this, you can kind of hear it there. Obviously, there's nothing being ground, but it's a really nice and simple, minimalistic design, easy to use, that you can just kind of have on your counter there when you need coffee. And that's how we have it set up. We have it plugged in all the time back there. So when we want to get ready to make coffee, we just pull it out, fill it up with some coffee beans, put the lid on, grind away. So it's a very nice unit. Keep it simple. Don't have to overthink it. If you're thinking about getting a coffee grinder, I'd suggest this one, as it has been working for a couple years for my family and I.